Welcome to Easy and Quick Python Programming for Kids Foundation course.
Session 5: String operations and format methods. String operations. Plus sign is used to concat two string and multiplication sign is used to multiplication of same string. Python is stored in S1 string and isFun is stored in S2 string. When we want to join two strings, then we will use S1 plus S2. So output will be Python isFun. And if we want to multiply Python word by 3 times, then we will use S1 into 3 so that we can see Python word appeared 3 times. Let's run a program for string operations. So we'll define string S1 is equal to easy and quick, S2 is equal to Python programming for kids. Now we wanted to join S1 plus S2, so we will say print S1 plus S2. So output will be easy and quick Python programming for kids. Now we will multiply string S1 twice. So we can see easy and quick printed 2 times. Python has inbuilt string methods like converting all characters into uppercase or lowercase. Here s dot upper will convert all the s string into uppercase characters and p dot lower will convert all the uppercase characters into lowercase characters. Method is called using dot operators and followed by parenthesis. Here output of upper and lower method is as above. Here S1 is a string with character as Python for kids. Now we will make this string into all uppercase character by using string methods and printing. So we will say print S1 dot upper bracket. So all the string is converted into uppercase and printed over here. Similarly, we'll print the same string as a lowercase character using lower method. So using upper and lower string methods, we can convert the complete string into all uppercase and all lowercase characters. Format method. Here S1 is equal to Python and T is equal to isFun. So format method is used to print a string in specific format. So for that we need to define which string we need to print under format function and its index. So here we are seeing 0th index, first index, and for 0th index print s string and for first index print t string. So output will be Python isFun. Let's try format method. Here s is equal to easy and quick, t is equal to Python programming for kids, and we'll print it in a quote index 0 index 1 dot format s comma t. So we can say like 0th indexed
S is getting printed and first index Python programming kids will get printed. Now we will just reverse it, 1 and 0, so you can see the reverse string will get printed.
Enjoy learning and fun with Python programming.